everyone, welcome back to the channel TNB Academy. In today's video, we are talking about ISO 27018 and why it's a game changer for startups and small businesses. Now I know what you might be thinking. ISO standards sound complicated and expensive. But don't worry, I'm here to break it down for you and show you how ISO 27018 can actually help your business grow and thrive. So let's dive in. Where data security and privacy are more important than ever. With rising concerns about privacy laws, cyber attacks, and data breaches, customers are increasingly looking for businesses they can trust with their data. ISO 27018 shows that your business is not only compliant with the latest regulations, but also dedicated to protecting your customers' sensitive information. For small businesses, scaling customer trust can be a real challenge. Having ISO 27018 certification gives you an edge over competitors who aren't as proactive about data privacy. The benefits of ISO 27018 for startups and small businesses. Let's break down some of the key benefits of ISO 27018 for startups and small businesses. Building customer trust. Customers care about how their data is being handled. By becoming ISO 27018 certified, you are signaling to your customers that you care about their privacy and security. This trust can lead to increased loyalty, repeat business, and even word-of-mouth referrals. Compliance with privacy regulations. With regulations like GDPR and CCPA coming into play, it's critical for businesses to stay compliant. ISO 27018 can help ensure that you meet these regulations, avoiding potential fines and legal trouble. It's like having a roadmap for navigating the complex world of data privacy. Competitive advantage. As a startup or small business, you are competing with larger established companies. ISO 27018 can help you stand out. When you market your business as ISO 27018 compliant, it shows potential customers that you prioritize data protection and that you are serious about providing secure, reliable services. Improved data security. By following ISO 27018 guidelines, you are implementing top-notch security practices to protect your customers' data. This can help you avoid data breaches or security incidents that could harm your business reputation. Is ISO 27018 right for your business? You might be thinking, that sounds like a lot of work. Is it really worth it for my startup? The answer is yes. ISO 27018 is scalable, meaning even smaller businesses can implement it effectively. And the benefits from customer trust to improved security are invaluable. Plus, implementing ISO 27018 doesn't have to be a huge financial burden. There are ways to make the process manageable, and the long-term advantages will far outweigh the initial investment. ISO 27018 is a fantastic opportunity for startups and small businesses to protect customer data, stay compliant with regulations, and gain a competitive edge in the marketplace. It may take some time and effort to implement, but the results will be worth it. If you are ready to take your business to the next level with better data security and customer trust, consider exploring ISO 27018. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Got any questions about ISO 27018 or data protection? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.